already. Let me turn this burner up and move him over. In the pot already, I have 1 cup of organic ketchup or low sugar ketchup, because you're gonna add other flavors to it. Buy good quality ketchup. And I've got 1 cup of it sitting down in the pot. To that, I'm gonna add half a cup of tomato puree, or this is tomato passata. Passata is sometimes made from fresh tomatoes, and it's just Italian pureed tomatoes. So I got about a half a cup of that to 1 cup of ketchup. Then I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count to 4 slowly. That'll be 4 tablespoons, or about a 1/4 cup. To that, we're gonna add 3 shots of bourbon whiskey. If you wanna take one for yourself. 1 2-count of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. To that, we're gonna add in a palmful, or about a tablespoon of chili powder. To marry it back to the flavor in the rub, I'm gonna add some celery seed, about a teaspoon or 1/3 of a palmful. 1 small rib of celery, finely chopped. Lots of coarse black pepper. And then I'm gonna grate in a little onion. Whoops. Part of him fell out and in there. Yeah, I'll get you later, buddy. So a little grated onion. And I grate it right over the pot so the juice from the grated onion goes down into the sauce. Then I'm gonna throw in a couple of large cloves of garlic. Yeah, I'm a garlic and onion girl too. I really am. Put it in anything. Say it all the time. Could never have married a man who doesn't love garlic, because I smell like a salami. Then you just give this a stir and let this cook for about a half an hour until it thickens up and the flavor develops. Oh, I also add a little bit of beef stock just to give it a place to go, to cook out to. Just a little splash. And again, you just cook it all, you throw it in one pot, and you cook it all in there for about 30 minutes, and that's it. Then we're going to shred the brisket, add our whiskey sauce, combine that, and you serve it on toasted rolls, or over polenta, or grits. I mean, it's just delicious. I love this dish. And again, it freezes beautifully.